In this video, you'll learn a smarter way to plant tomatoes that minimizes transplant shock and helps your plants grow strong right from the start. Instead of following the usual method, you'll discover a simple trench technique that promotes deeper roots and healthier growth. This approach uses compost, kitchen scraps, and natural ingredients to improve soil fertility over time. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to grow vigorous tomato plants that produce an abundant harvest of juicy, flavorful tomatoes. Planting tomatoes correctly can make a huge difference in both plant health and yield. Many gardeners simply dig a hole, place the plant upright, and hope it thrives. However, this often results in weak roots and slow growth due to transplant stress. This method takes a more natural and effective approach by focusing on soil health and strong root development. The process begins by creating 2 trenches in your garden bed. Each trench serves a specific purpose. One is designed to nourish the soil, while the other directly supports the tomato plants. This system allows nutrients to break down gradually, creating a steady and long-lasting food source. In the first trench, add organic waste such as vegetable peels, dry leaves, and plant trimmings. As this material decomposes, it turns into rich organic matter, releasing nutrients into the soil. This not only feeds your plants, but also improves soil texture and moisture retention. The second trench is where you plant your tomatoes. Start by adding a layer of compost at the base. Compost provides essential nutrients and beneficial microbes that give young plants a healthy start. Next, lightly sprinkle turmeric over the compost. This natural ingredient has antifungal and antibacterial properties, helping protect roots from soil-borne diseases while supporting beneficial microbial activity. Now comes the most important step, placing the tomato plant horizontally instead of upright. Tomatoes can grow roots along their stems, so by burying about 2/3 of the stem, you encourage the development of a much larger root system. A stronger root system allows the plant to absorb more water and nutrients, making it more resilient to stress, wind, and dry conditions. This method greatly reduces transplant shock, helping the plant establish quickly and grow more vigorously. After positioning the plant, gently cover it with soil, leaving only the top portion exposed. The buried stem will soon develop roots, making the plant stronger and more stable. Once planting is complete, cover the first trench with soil to trap moisture and speed up decomposition. Over time, it will act as a natural slow-release fertilizer, continuously feeding the nearby plants. Adding mulch on top is another key step. Mulch helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weeds, creating a more stable environment for growth. Finally, water the area with compost tea. This nutrient-rich liquid boosts microbial activity in the soil and helps plants absorb nutrients more efficiently, giving them an extra push during early growth. Overall, this method creates a balanced system where the soil naturally supports plant growth. By building a healthy soil ecosystem, you reduce stress on your plants and encourage long-term productivity. Follow this technique, and your tomato plants will grow stronger, faster, and healthier, rewarding you with a generous harvest throughout the season.